Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Holy, what the heck? Did you guys see that thing? Tried to kill me. Oh my gosh, let's redo. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for tuning in to today's episode. Our adventure today is in Lamai Beach. We'll be taking a scooter 15 minutes to get to the elephant sanctuary. This guy is curious. He's massive. Elephant sanctuary first, and then there's a waterfall. So we might have a waterfall included in today's episode. Stay tuned. Current accommodations is here at Bill's Resort. I've stayed here multiple times. Beautiful, quiet, comfortable beds, well-kept pool, beautiful green shrubbery all around, and all in all a great location for a great price. So if you're coming to Lamai Beach, check out Bill's Resort. As we're en route to the elephant sanctuary, you know, we had to make a quick stop. Can we hear it one more time? Oh, yes. Ah, there we go. Dee-doo. That's like a new dee-doo. It's not the original. Come. All right, let's grab some snacks. Boom. Today's drink of choice is going to be the Meiji milk with green tea, matcha. This provides 28 grams of protein, and then we're following it up with a little green tea on the side. So matcha green tea protein in the milk, green tea in the refreshing category. Samui Elephant Home. Caring and Education Center, open 10 a.m. to 16:30 p.m. Well, this guy is curious. He's massive. Hello, Mr. Elephant. Oh, what a beautiful guy. Oh, you say hello? Let me get you some banana, okay? Banana, banana, banana. So there's an activity for 3,000 baht, but you can also come right over here and buy a bag of bananas with some sugar cane and feed the elephants as long as you've got a mahout with you. So I'm gonna buy a basket real quick and we're gonna feed the elephants and try to get a little bit up close and personal, eh? Holy moly. All right, hold on. One banana. Oh my gosh. Hi. I know what you want. Can I get your ear?
Not touch the ear.
No touch
She don't like.
You don't like to touch the ear? Sugar cane maybe. Oh my gosh. This elephant is massive, you guys. If you could just put it into perspective here, like, here's a banana. You don't like your ear touch? Oh, you're so big and tall. Big. Oh my goodness. Yes, sugar cane. What's the elephant's
Hong.
name?
Hong?
Home? Let's go feed this one.
Yeah.
How was your sugar cane? All right, everybody, this here is Hong. Hong, I don't have food right now, nah? Kap kun kap. And this is Dao right here. Hi, Dao. Hello, Dao. Dao just took a bath. Just look how beautiful these guys are. Massive elephants. You don't really get to see them from the top too often either, but you can see their hairy little head. Huh. You grow a little bit of hair on the roof of your head, huh? Yeah. And look at those beautiful eyelashes. Wow. So nice. Just beautiful, beautiful elephant. Hello, Dao. Hello, Hong. Hong Dao. Hong Dao.
And this one, you can fit only banana.
Only bananas
Yeah.
for you? Why is it older or a different elephant?
The teeth not good.
Teeth not good?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. What's your name, big fella? You been crying? You sad? You want to go to the river? You want to go play in the river? Yes. Look how big this guy is. Wow. Oh, yeah. banana? Yeah? Oh, you're amazing. Hi. You trying to get another one? Oh my gosh, you guys. Big elephant. Now let's go back to big dog. Hong. Hello, Hong. Hi. Hello, Hong. Okay. Nom, 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 nom. Nom, 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 nom. You want to try to steal one? There you go, banana now. You can see just how big this guy is. I mean, look how big. Oh, what about this guy? What about that one? Here? Oh yeah, look at, we got a new elephant coming. Oh, I see you, Hong. Here you go, baby. Look at this big one. Hong, calm down. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Hey, go on. Mmm. 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 Hmm. If he's hungry. She? He.
She.
I wonder if she's hungry. Oh, you just got a bath, huh? Here you go. One banana after the bath. Huh? Oh. Huh? And what is this girl's name?
Dao.
Dao?
Yes.
Are you hungry, Dao? Huh? Yes? Can Dao have sugar cane?
Yes.
Dao, you want sugar? Yes. Let's try from this side. Hi. Oh, yummy. Try to get her mouth, can you? I'm gonna go like this and see if you can get her mouth. Up. Up. Oh, can you get her teeth? Get in. You get over here, and I'll be over here, and I'm gonna raise it high. Oi, Hong. Dao. Dao. Dao, 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 Dao. Hong, would you calm down, big fella? We're trying to hang out with Dao here. Look, you got two elephants in one picture? Ah! Dao! Hong! Hong! Ah! This is it, ladies and gentlemen. This is hanging out with the elephants. Hungry. They have such a tiny little mouth that goes... But it's all like slimy and gooey as well. Here, come in real quick. Hey! Come in real quick. Their mouth is strong, but it's really slimy and gooey. Okay, one more for you, Dao. Okay. Good. Well, it was fun, and I could probably spend unlimited amount of time with elephants, to be honest, but $200 for a bucket of bananas. I got a couple buckets, we had some fun, and now we're gonna head off to this waterfall that I was told is supposed to be pretty good, because we just had a rainstorm. And then I also heard about a cobra show, so if you're into snakes, we might have a cobra show for you. There's a 3,000 baht opportunity for you to walk with the elephants and go down to the river and interact with them. There's not swimming, but I just spent $12 on 2 baskets of bananas, had fun, got to interact with them a little bit. Maybe another day I'll choose to do the full tour, but for now, let's get over to the waterfall and the cobra show. I'd say one of the beauties of Thailand is getting a motorbike and driving through these deeply treed and bush forests. Oh look, there's a shooting range. I heard you could fire AK-47s and machine guns and all kinds of fun stuff. But I mean, look at the view. This is just a casual drive down a small street. Muay Thai! Tonight! This is a prime example of what I'm talking about. Get yourself a moto and just start driving. Let's head up into the forest. Muay Thai tonight! Wow, do you hear them? Oh shit! We are skipping the waterfall and doing the snake show first because there's 3 showings a day. 11, 1, and 3. I'm not big into snakes. I don't know if you guys are into snakes. I'm gonna see what we see here, but I'm going to the waterfall after this, so enjoy the Cobra show. We just paid 100 baht in order to come in and look around. If more people come, then they'll do the show at 1 p.m. and it'll be a total of 400 baht for the Cobra show. But I just walked in and look at this guy. Tearing me down, dude. Oh, look at his tongue come out. Wild. That it's gotta be Craig, and then there's like a couple smaller ones. Full. That's like a dog. He must have eaten something big. Just sleeping too. Guys out here sunbathing. Ah, turtles. Oh my gosh. Look at all the chickens, guys. Is this food for the snake right here? We're going to learn a little bit about the snake real quick. These are the nostrils, sensory pit, venom duct is up and in, hollow fang versus a solid tooth, the venom gland right here, the muscle that gets her all done, and the posterior temporalis. That sounds cool. Snake senses have no eyelids and no eardrums, but their tongues are very sensitive. They use them to test and taste everything around them. Their tongue flicks in and out all the time.
Oh. Wow. Ooh. Be careful. Deadly choke. Experience technique, no magic. Oh, angry. Oh, really scary. Be careful. All experience technique, no magic, no power by enemy. He play with the dead. Deadly show. ต้องหาผ้ามาปิดแล้วมั้งWhat snake man he say, you know, cobra looking at mongoose only, enemy of cobra mongoose. Oh, so you can take video. Hello everybody. Wow. Wow. Hey. Be careful. He play with the snake. Spring from sideways to enemy. Strong or weak. Hey, 1 meter now. 1 meter now. Spring from sideways. 1 meter. ตอนนี้พุ่งดีวะไม่ได้จนเกินไปว่ามันจะฉกหน้าตลอดเลยน้องไม่รอนะเว้ยตั้งเลยลงน้ำมันก็ได้นะไม่กินน้ำมันnoโอ้ยนี่ลิทูเมตรอ้ว 4 meter maybe. It bite you now all blast. No poison but very sharp teeth. Very sharp teeth, about 40 teeth. It bite you all blast like cut by knife. Can cut the skin off or push the flesh away. Theory. Last piton no esplenosa, periculosa, quando es tranquillar. Hey. Oh, it bite all blast. All blast. Ay, cuidado, be careful. You know this side, one man, you can't control if you go to cat alone. can make you die. Coil around your neck. It coil around your neck about 10 minutes, you can't breathing. Oh, this size one man can control.
Wow, that was amazing. So for only 400 baht, which is about 12 US dollars, you get a little over a half-hour show. You get to see tons of these little reptiles, and then the mongoose. I didn't know the mongoose was immune to the venom, which is cool. But also, I didn't know that they made anti-venom by injecting horses with little bits of the venom over 3 to 6 months and then extracting their blood. That's going to be your anti-venom. I didn't know they used horses to do that. Pretty cool. Let's get ourselves up into this waterfall. After a quick moto ride through the forest, we've arrived at the base of Waterfall 2, and it's nestled deep in the heart of this jungle. I saw a glimpse of it as I was riding in. Looked pretty good. But it's about a 30-minute hike, they said. But 10 if you're fast, so I bet you we get there in about 15 minutes. We'll report back shortly. So we just have to traverse a small shady bridge, and there was a sign that clearly stated, if anything happens, it's not their fault. Holy smokes, folks. This episode is brought to you by the American Travel Guy. Goes to a Cobra show, then goes to the middle of the frickin' jungle show, followed by runs out of breath and probably should do a bit more running show. Slowly but surely, nifty, nifty. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. There's a split fall over there to the left as well. Here we are, we've made it down to Waterfall 2, Koh Samui, Thailand. Wow, it's amazing. I'm gonna go ahead and rest in the shade and get the drone in the air. All right, so we're out here in the middle of the waterfall forest, and there's no real flat ground. So what we're gonna have to do is use our palm to take off today. Oh, that battery's dead too. Hold the brakes, you gotta change batteries, folks. Just like that, the DJI Fly More package comes with 3 additional battery bays, so you can maintain your charge on all 3 batteries or recharge while one's in the air. Delete. Okay, now we're gonna get this bad boy going. Son of a biscuit. DJI just rolled out an update that makes everybody re-log in, and I guarantee you I don't have service to log in, so I probably won't be able to fly the drone here. Amateur mistake on my bad. Well, I'm incredibly sorry that I forgot to update all of my software on the drone before coming out here. But the good news is I'm here another day. So what I'll try to do is come out in the morning or maybe this evening. Hey, but this Waterfall 2, I would recommend. You're gonna sweat your buns off. It is a beautiful little hike, beautiful green lush forest. And there's a little vendor at the bottom where you can get beers, water, probably a little bit to eat as well. Journey, journey. Oh yeah, crikey, now we're getting right down in the thick of it. You can feel the cool breeze coming right off of that waterfall on this hot, sweaty day right here in Koh Samui, Thailand. Boy, I sure hope you guys are able to come out here and enjoy this beautiful experience at least one time in your life. Drop it in the comments if you've ever been to Koh Samui, Thailand, or if you've got it on your bucket list on somewhere you're planning to go. Hey, we found a little swimming hole, so we're gonna go ahead and jump in because we are freaking sweaty. You know what I mean? My only concern is gonna be my socks and shoes, but we'll figure that out later. You don't need to figure everything out up front. Bet you it's freezing cold. Let's check it out. Okay. Well, he says it's deep enough for me to jump. And so I'm just gonna jump. Sometimes in life, shit seems sketch. But, okay. We lived. We survived. Oh, there's a dead cockroach. Whew. Oh, it's nice and cold. Absolutely nice and cold. Everything was good until I decided to try to get out, and then I slipped on this rock. Oh yeah, I definitely got my elbow. See that? We got a little blood on the scene here, and then the shin took a beating, but the elbow looks like it got the best one. Hey, what are you gonna do about it? Sometimes you fall, break an elbow. You know, no biggie. But I am gonna stop swimming now since I do have an open wound, and I'm gonna get down and clean it up and then head back to the house for some food. Hope you're ready for some steamed fish. The elbow pretty good here. Just have a quick glimpse at it. Bam. Split her right down the elbow. Ugh. Doesn't hurt that bad, but I think tomorrow it's gonna hurt. And then I did do a little damage to the shin on the knee. You can't really tell. Tomorrow maybe we'll have some nice bruisage, but it's good that I've been kickboxing because, you know, probably built up those shins to take the beating. We're back in Koh Kitchen, and I've just ordered the 3 different spicy fish. It's a whole fish fried with tons of spices and stuff. We're gonna take you into the kitchen and show you how it's made. So we'll gently sear and open up this fish real quick so the flavor can get right in there nice and deep. Is that salt or sugar? Sugar.
MSG?
MSG?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, the good stuff. No wonder I keep coming back.
This is salt.
Yeah, she just gave the secret. She said that she puts the MSG in there, and I was like, no wonder I keep coming back. It's so good.
Okay, oyster sauce.
Oyster sauce? Oh yes, please.
Fish sauce.
Yes.
This is fish sauce. Thai one.
Yeah. Fish sauce number 1. Okay, show me. Oh yeah. Get it in there. I know this fish is gonna be good. Next time I might get the steamed fish though, but today we're going fried fish. Oh, flour! Show us that flour. That's gonna give it what? A little crispy on the fish. Oh yeah. Next side, please. So what I ordered was fried fish with 3 flavors. So I'm curious to see what these 3 flavors will be. One's probably going to be spicy, sweet and sour, and then maybe a lemon lime. I don't know. Watch next. Everybody's working together, making different dishes. You've got salads over here.
Before time, she fish.
Look at that crispy goodness getting ready. And then she's grilled tom yum over here, mushroom and tom yum over there. And this side, 3 or 4 salads going on that side. It's just, you're just in the kitchen and you smell it starting to blossom and ferment right up in them nostrils. I'll tell you what, ladies and gentlemen.
It's a sweet sauce.
That's definitely a sweet Thai chili sauce right there. So that's going to be one of the flavors. Okay. Sweet chili Thai. Wow, that's a lot.
Yeah.
Okay.
And this one.
Next.
Chili.
Oh boy, some peppers.
You spicy, okay?
1 spicy, 2 spicy, okay?
Or 2 spicy.
Okay, yeah, 1 green, 1 red.
This one garlic.
Some garlic.
Garlic.
Ooh.
Okay.
Throw in a little diced garlic on your sweet chili Thai sauce. And you add the garlic and the peppers. It's gonna be a symphony of flavors that just explodes right there in your mouth. I wish you were here to enjoy it with me, but I'm gonna have to handle this one on my own, guys. Fresh fried calamari coming right up. All right, she wants me to taste.
Okay, man.
Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Daggum, that's good. Sawadi krap. Kapkun krap. Krap. My favorite kitchen in all of Thailand. Kapkun krap. Good to see you. Thank you so much for allowing me to be here and film this and enjoy the great foods that you guys provide. Kapkun krap.
พี่ทำเองเห็นไหมI don't know English what speak but secret
Look at that. On top.
Okay, na.
Oh yeah. Okay, na ma.
มา
Oh, die.
มา
Die. What? I don't really know how to properly eat a whole fried fish, and so if you know how or any tips, please drop it in the comments. But you guys are about to watch me butcher a fully fried fish right now. I think I'm going to go with the push method. See if we can just push a little off. Okay, oh yeah, there we go. There's a little fillet right there. So that seems to work fine. Just like do a little bit and then fillet. Oh yeah, it's just coming apart. God, that's good. Oh, look at there. Both sides. You do gotta watch out for the bones though. So come on in here. I'm gonna actually have a quick taste. Look at that. Take a look. Oh, so soft. Put it on a little bit of that sauce. Just takes over. Gosh. Yeah, so just watch out for the fish bones and then have a good time and enjoy. There's that nice fillet I was talking about. Like, you can tell that it was scored perfectly and it's soft. It's just beautiful fish. So I'm doing pretty good damage on this thing. I found that if you use a spoon to kind of pin it down and then a fork to shred it, you can find your nice big chunks of fish. And to close the episode, you know we got to hear our favorite sound. No dee-doo. Dee-doo. Good morning and welcome back. Yesterday we had some drone issues and so I've come back to the waterfall. If you've watched this long, then you're about to get to experience the waterfall in 4K. I don't know if you can see the waterfall. It's right there. We might try to zoom in, but let's get the drone in the air and see what we can see.